Every athletic space is different. That's why standard wall padding doesn't always provide the right fit. When you need to work around outlets, switches, or thermostats, custom cutout kits offer a clean, functional, and professional solution. While these kits aren't available for direct purchase, they can be added to any custom wall pad order. And with this guide, installation is simple. Let's walk through the process. Step 1. Lay the pad flat with the wood backing facing up. Use a measuring tape to mark the exact location of the wall fixture. Use a circular saw or rotary tool to cut along the lines. Avoid cutting too deep and damaging the vinyl underneath. Step 2. With the wood removed, use a utility knife to cut out the foam just deep enough to reach the vinyl. Take care not to slice through it. Now you've got a clean opening ready for the next step. Step 3. Cut an X shape in the vinyl to create 4 flaps. Fold each flap back and staple it securely to the wood. If the flaps don't reach, use the hemmed vinyl strips from your kit. Glue the flaps to the strips, let them dry, then fold and staple them around the edges. Use glue sparingly. Any excess can mark the vinyl. Step 4. The opening is now ready for the liner. Use painter's tape to protect the vinyl. Then apply HH66 vinyl cement to both the inside edge of the cutout and the hemmed flap. Carefully press the flap into place and secure it around the corners. Be precise. This glue bonds fast. Step 5. Once the glue has set, flip the pad over again. Trim the excess vinyl, make small relief cuts, and staple the flaps flat against the wood. And that's it. You now have a clean, durable custom cutout that looks great and fits exactly where it should. At AK Athletics, our cutout kits are built to deliver a long-lasting professional result without compromising safety or style. Got questions? Reach out to our team to get started on your custom order today.